Hi guys, welcome to another episode of Mani Tuesday, the Christmas edition. In today's episode, we are going to be doing another beautiful Christmas snowflake mani. So these are the products I'll be using today. I've already applied my tips and buffed the nail so that it's flush with my natural nails. Now I'm going to be applying the peel-off base coat on the whole nail for easier removal. If you wanted to leave on your nails for longer, skip this step. Prior to this, I experimented with applying a layer of clear acrylic first and then the peel-off base coat, but that was a fail. It worked for 2 of my nails but not all, so I'm trying it this way now. We will see how this goes. Starting with the pinky finger, I apply a thin layer of base. And then I sprinkle this peach Azure Beauty dip powder. This powder is quite sheer on the first layer. I needed 2 more layers for it to reach full opacity. This powder is super gorgeous. There's a shimmer to it, however, when applied to the nail, you can't see it. I also did the same color on my thumb. Now onto the ring finger, I apply base to the whole nail and then I sprinkle the grey dip powder onto the nail. The grey powder is super nice. It's basic, yes, but it's nice. This powder is also quite sheer on the first layer and I needed 2 more layers for it to reach full opacity. Moving on to the index finger, I apply base and then I sprinkle the grey powder onto my nails. The reason I left out the middle finger is because I'm doing a glitter nail on that finger and we all know glitter goes everywhere, so I'm leaving it for last. Now I'm applying the iridescent snowflakes to the grey nails. These glitters are so gorgeous, oh my gosh. So I'm just applying glue and then the glitter to my nails. The iridescent glitter was very difficult to see with my lighting when it was encapsulated. I was low-key worried that y'all wouldn't be able to see how gorgeous the glitter was on my nail. Then when I walked outside, I saw it in the daylight and I was like, damn, that's gorgeous. Let me take a video. So y'all wouldn't be seeing much videos of this glitter, well, this nail design, indoors. You all will be seeing more of it outdoors because that's where you really get to see the true beauty of it. And this glitter was very difficult to lay flat. The middle would lay flat, but the edges would keep coming up. I did so many things to try to get it to lay flat, but nothing worked. So when I was encapsulating, I had to make sure and do enough layers so that it would stay down. I was just trying to show you all how it wasn't laying that flat and you could still see the edges pointing out, but I don't think you all could see it. And I'm just showing you all how I encapsulated one of the nail. I know you all know how to encapsulate, but you know, I just still showing it. So when I was trying to get a proper video of the glitters outdoor, it was very difficult because it also depends on where the light hits the nail. And sometimes it would hit one area and it wouldn't hit the other area, the lighting. So you wouldn't see one of the glitters properly, but then you would see the other glitter properly. It was so difficult to get a good video or picture. I tried my best, but damn. I had a very hard time getting a good thumbnail for this video. It was difficult. So when I was applying the glitter, I encapsulated it with 3 layers. I forgot to say that because this glitter it does not lay flat. The glitter kept sticking up, mainly the snowflake glitter. I think I said that. Yeah, I did. Okay, so now this is the glitter finger. Now I think I did 4 layers of silver glitter. Yes, 4. So this is after I encapsulated all the nails and now I'm applying activator. I'm so sorry about, I don't know what is happening on my right hand side of the screen. Something about the lighting, it's playing mad. I don't know what it is. Anyway, this is after encapsulating all the nails and I'm applying more activator. So what is challenging about short nails, especially when the dip powder is sheer and you need like 3 to 4 coats in order to reach full opacity, is when you want to encapsulate chunky glitters, especially like the snowflake. Yes, the grain needed 3 layers in order to be opaque, and then I encapsulated a chunky glitter, so that was a challenge. And then to ensure that the nail didn't look chunky was another challenge. I believe I accomplished that. However, if the nails were long, these things wouldn't be such an issue. So I'm just trying to figure it out, you know. And now on the peach finger, on the pinky, sorry, I added a holographic star, and now I'm top coating all of the nails. I also added a holographic star to the thumbnail also. So when I was applying the top coat, the nails came to life. I was really impressed by it. But then I watched over the reveal shot and it didn't do any justice to it. It looked like shit, to be honest. I tried my phone light and nothing changed. So I thought it was my camera, but then when I went outside, I saw the difference. Yes. So at the end, y'all will see some shots of it outdoors. And if you want to watch any more of my content about dip powder and the various designs you can achieve with it, click the videos you see on the screen. I hope you like my Christmas nail design. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like, comment and subscribe. See you guys in my next one. Bye guys!